Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove green screen in Capcut PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, open up your Capcut and create a new project. After that, import the footages and I'm going to select two of my clips here. And then I'm going to drag the first one on the timeline. And then the green screen footage above it, because I want to display the first footage in this green screen area. That's why I placed this below the green screen. And after that, select your green screen file, go over to cutout, enable the chroma key feature, pick the eyedropper and select the green color from your footage. And after that, increase the strength and shadow to your preference. And after that, just simply adjust the clip and that's it. This is basically how you can remove green screens on Capcut PC. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.